Here I have OPPO Reno5 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly you have to go to contact, select contact which you want to add photo, then tap edit contact, then tap on the camera icon to edit photo. You have an option to take photo or to just select photo from the gallery. Then you have to select photo. Here you can adjust this photo, how it will look, and then just tap done and then save, and as you can see, image added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.